Hi, this is Nancy. I am in Sandy, Utah at the Mixed Media event, and I have come just for the day so that I can show you some of the new product from some of our favorite vendors. So I am right now in Jamie's booth. This is the Crafters Workshop Stencils. So I'm gonna now come grab the camera and then we're gonna put Jamie on camera, okay? So there we go. I'm going, ta-da! Hi Jamie, how are you?
Nice to see you, everyone. This place is great. We have so many wonderful new stencils to show you. I'm going to start over here with Rebecca Meyer. Rebecca just came out with a gorgeous new series of stencils. She has her signature mandalas, which are those round stencils. Everybody loves them. They can't get enough of them. And then, you know, I always call her style a little bit of grungy chic. It's a way to make it look kind of edgy, kind of cool, but you just don't want to go too wild and crazy, and you still want it to be pretty and neat and clean. So she does that for you, walks you by the hand, and makes it look gorgeous. We love Rebecca's stencils.
Those are really cool.
Aren't they wonderful? And then we have art by Marlene, and Marlene is a South African born artist. She lives in the Netherlands, so it has that little bit of that European flair to it. You can tell by her colors. She loves colors. She loves just the jubilant happiness of summer with the flowers.
All right, those colors are jubilant.
Aren't they
if
wonderful?
We're going to give those a word. Those are jubilant
I think
covers.
so, too.
Those are awesome.
Yeah. Oh,
All
she has
right.
just wonderful feel to it. Now we have Gabrielle Polacco, and Gabby, you know, she is a little bit of everything. She has this great blueprint. She has a mystical tree, which is kind of like that tree of life with the vines. She's got some gorgeous magnolia blossoms, and then these bird and butterflies. I mean, it's just very whimsical. That's her style.
All right, now as we're doing this, I'm hoping that you're noticing that each one of these stencils is coming in a 6x6 and a 12x12, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we want them to know the options there. Okay, now these are just funny.
Oh, this is Carmen Medlin, and Carmen is an amazing artist. And of course, we had to do a Save the Drama for Your Llama, and I Believe in Unicorns. Those are two great sellers already. Very trend forward. You know, people want to do things for the wall. They want to do things for their daughter's bedroom. They want to make pillows. They want to make T-shirts, and heck, they just want to do a fun layout page. We've got a nice harvest pumpkin, Mr. Snowman, and then a beautiful angel, prayerful angel, and then three wonderful florals: the jasmine spray, the rose bouquet, and the growing wild. So pretty.
Those are cool. Now on these, I'm just going to interrupt you a little bit because they're very textured. Are they using your new
Oh my gosh,
the medium?
come nice and close. This is light and fluffy, and we scrape it through. So scrape it through on a nice quality paper like a watercolor or a mixed media paper. And then let it form a little bit of a skin, so maybe 5 minutes, and then touch the end with a loaded paintbrush so that with a little bit of acrylic ink, and let the paint just like disperse into the light and fluffy. And then this one, Mr. Snowman, this is light and fluffy with glitter mixed into it.
I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but
And the
trust me
texture.
guys, he's glittery and textury. And look at his little bluebird.
Yep, that's
How
what
cute.
a nice palette knife working that in. That makes a great class, by the way.
Cool.
So farm stencils are everywhere.
Isn't that funny? I've just realized that recently, the farm stencils, the
Right.
words.
Yeah, the words. I mean, you're probably already selling palettes and boards. If you're not, you should be.
Yep, and Notions happens to have those in case you're looking for them.
Great stuff. Absolutely. And so we came out with 16 great words. These are the signs that you're seeing Chip and Joanna with all their shiplap up on the DIY shows. This is what they're doing, and you can do it yourself. You can have classes. And the great thing is, you sell everything already. So let me just, we got the light and fluffy. Here we go. This is the light and fluffy, and it's like marshmallow fluff. You can kind of see how delicious that
It's
is.
fluffy.
It's very fluffy.
Yes.
We love it. And the nice thing about it, you can see it on the laundry sign. I mean, it's slightly raised. Notice how it doesn't bleed underneath the stencil. That's because it's just dry enough to be scraped, but it's wet enough to go through your stencil. So we do love using that with these nice big stencils, and everything is available now.
Now, we love now. All right, and then we've got the top 50 bestsellers. Oh no, let's look at mediums.
Oh,
Let's
we'll
look
do
at
the mediums. Well,
Okay.
you know, we came out with the big jars of the metallic modeling paste. We've got 3 golds: champagne gold, Grecian gold, antique gold, some copper. People are having some platinum, sterling silver, marcasite.
Oh, I know it. I'm going to go
White
right
pearl.
up into them. Okay.
Yes.
There they are.
Yes, these are the new 2-ounce size jars. We do have them in the 8-ounce jar, but it is so much fun to have those little tiny jars because they just retail for $7. So since the little jars were so cute, we had to come out with a few of our favorites, like black modeling paste, the light and fluffy in the 2-ounce jars too. And then for this show, we've come out with the matte gel medium, white modeling paste, tacky when dry gel medium.
All right, that sounds interesting.
Oh my gosh, well, it's a wonderful gel. You can kind of see with the other finger here. See how it's kind of like sour cream.
Yeah.
And you can scrape it through a stencil. You let it dry, so it goes from cloudy to clear. And when it's clear, it's tacky. So you can use it with gold flakes. You can use it with foil, and you can use it with mica.
All
So
right.
that allows you to add something like a sparkle to your cards. And then
right.
we also, of course, have the hot foil gel, which you can send through your laminator.
All right, and then you've got your top 50 over there. That's just to show them. I'm going to give you guys all a quick look. This is top 50 stencils from the Crafters Workshop. Now remember, when you're looking on Notions Marketing's website, that it is the Crafters Workshop. You have to go to T to find it. I always mess that up and go to Crafters Workshop. So this is Jamie from the Crafters Workshop
And
saying bye-bye from Sandy, Utah.
And thank you, because we make everything in the U.S., so thank you for
you very
supporting
much.
us.